All right, everybody. I've got a lot to do here in the yard. It's a beautiful day today. Oh my gosh, it's Saturday. If you look up, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's about 67 degrees. I got jeans on and a long sleeve, but it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm sitting in the shade right now, so it feels cooler than in the sun, obviously. But I've got a little bit of a mess over here to clean up, and it's still a little muddy in the backyard, so I'm not going to really continue too much now on filling in the trench from the drip system. So I'm going to leave that alone, and I'm going to tackle that probably either a little bit later today or later this weekend. It's just way too muddy back there still. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to show you what we got going on as far as my task for now. Here we go. All right, there it is. So those are extra pallets that were left over from all the travertine. That is all the broken tile from the roofing job that I just had to do right about there. And I got to pick all this stuff up, and I'm going to cut all those pallets up. I may have a fun little bonfire with those. And then we've got some stuff here. These are our old roots and tree, the tree stuff from the lemon tree we pulled out. We got that big monster seat from a 1951 Dodge. We'll show you that a little bit later. And I got to cut that up and get rid of that. That's been sitting here for a couple years, 3 years maybe, because we bought the car 4 years ago and started rebuilding it. So I just got to get rid of some of this junk. And we're going to have some fun here. Probably throw some stuff on Facebook Marketplace, maybe try to sell some stuff. So that's my basketball from the pool. But we just got a bunch of wood and a bunch of garbage. So we got some other stuff here. We're going to cut up an old rug that we had outside and just try to clean this place up a little bit. So That did not work out the way I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to be much bigger in fire, much bigger in size. All right, we're going to let that burn. We're going to keep adding wood to it. I think because this wood is so saturated from the last few days of rain, that probably has added to not wanting to start, even with lighter fluid and a flipping torch. So here we go. We're lit down the bottom. We'll see what we got. We are having a blast. All right, so what we finally were able to do, we were finally able to get that wood started, and then I realized I had an entire stack of, I guess, just junk mail that has all of our information on, like banking stuff, and we don't want to throw that stuff away, and we really don't have anywhere to shred that, so why don't we burn it? So we are going crazy right now with the burning, and turn this, look at that. Look at that. So we have that much to burn still. That fire is probably 5 or 6 feet tall at the top of that flame there. And we've got another whole stack like this in the garage of paper. Plus we have all of that wood left to burn. So we're having fun. Anybody have a marshmallow? Okay, so we got this fire raging. We got rid of all of our junk mail. That's all right there. It's going real well. We got a big old tree in there. Big root ball from our lemon tree that we dug up. We got a little big old 4x4, I guess a big towel hanger that we had around our pool. That's in there burning. Got a lot of our extra wood in there, and it is going crazy. But here's what we're working on next. I'm going to turn right there. So I got to cut up that piece of wood right there. That's the rest of an antique door that fell. But that's the back seat, vertical seat of a 51 Dodge Coronet. And I'm going to cut that thing up and get rid of that. It's been sitting back here for a long time. And then I'm also going to cut up those remnants of shelves that are left over from our redo in our utility room. So those two are getting done right now. Let's get to it. Not much left to that. That thing started out way out here, and now it's gone. Gotta change that. Alrighty, that's done.